Hello, I'm Leanne Fenge. I'm Professor of Social Care and my background is social work. So prior to coming into the university as an academic, I was a social worker for 10 years working in a variety of settings. Since then I've been in the university teaching on social work, community development courses and undertaking work around seldom heard voices and marginalised groups. Okay, so my inaugural lecture really is tracing my life from point of birth and what that's doing is contextualising really why my approach to my work I think has focused on voice, community and participation. So I start back in the 1960s at a time in London where there was a lot of slum clearance and trace through my own childhood and experiences of living in an area that was redeveloped as to why I think that's led me to focus on working with communities where voice and participation have been an issue. So as an academic, my approach to research has been very much using participatory approaches. I'm very much keen to involve the voices of those that we work with as practitioners and as academics authentically within the research process. And I suppose over the last 10 years I've moved more and more towards a performative social science approach. So looking at how we can engage with those voices through arts-based methods, for example using performance poetry with groups such as young people with disabilities and homeless people, and then working with them to perform their work to larger audiences. And I think it's through that connection with audience that we can really help to change hearts and minds and to create more understanding of the lived experiences of those individuals. Well, I think people should come and watch my lecture because it's going to be fun, hopefully, interesting. And I think hopefully what it will demonstrate is the way that universities can create research which can really engage with the public.